Here I damn. Here I am in my car inside of a solid sheet of ice as it defrosts. Nothing but ice, right? Okay. Oh, I think this is pretty cool, so I'm gonna roll it out my window. Here it comes. You see it coming down? Yeah. Look. Ice. Roll this one down too.